What a big old soupy start to our Tuesday, and 80s are still all over the place. Winter Haven, you've got Leesburg, Tampa, Clearwater, all the way down the coast to Sarasota, all still at 80 or above this morning in Central Florida. South Florida, mid 80s from Miami all the way through the Keys, solid. Even Pensacola still starting at about 80 degrees. And our dew point temperatures in the upper 70s, mid to upper 70s for the most part. It's a pretty quiet start to the day, and notice barely any cloud cover, much less any rain out there. It's still with that drier air sitting on top of us in the mid levels of the atmosphere. And while it doesn't completely choke off all the rain chances, it does lower them, and it knocks them down to about 20% or so. And notice the lack of coverage for the next few afternoons around here in terms of rainfall. Every day is always a little bit different, and there will be isolated storms each afternoon. But in general, nowhere near the distribution of rain that we had over the past couple of weeks. Minimum heat index 104 to 105, with some spots getting as high as 109. So that's why the heat advisory is back for basically everybody. Okay, with the exception of Citrus, Hernando, and Pasco County west of 19. That's the only spot that's not in the heat advisory. This isn't our first one this year, folks. Just take it slow outside today. Be careful. Let's go to the tropics. There are 3 areas of interest. However, out of those 3 areas, none of them are at this point looking to be a major concern. Just eliminate the 2 that say 10%. We're not worried about those. The one that's shaded in red has the potential to develop into a tropical system. The next name on the list is Cristobal. Okay, but look at all of this Saharan dust, which is literally sitting on top of it and almost surrounding it. And it's going to follow this storm as it tries to develop closer to the islands. And once it gets close to the islands, look how far away it is as it's beginning to turn north. And there'll be a big old front coming off the east coast of our state. This is all good, because even if this does develop, it is likely going to head to the north and out to sea. Just keep an eye on it for you. 93 degrees. Oh, it's going to feel like 105 to 109, folks. Strap it in. It's going to be a hot week, with the rain chances being at 20% for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and those highs in the low to mid 90s.